Welcome back to another video, and this is my microphone test video of the Roelao or Ralyin V8 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So all of the audio for today's video is going to be recorded via the onboard microphone for these headphones, and we're going to test out these microphones in two different scenarios. The first one is going to be, as you guys and gals hear it now, an ideal or a close to ideal noise free environment as I can get it. And the second one is going to be a simulated crowdy or noisy environment test. So without further ado, I hope you guys and gals find this video helpful, and let's jump right into it. So starting off here, as I said, this first portion of the video is pretty much being recorded in an ideal noise-free or as close to noise-free environment as I can get it. Okay, so this is what the microphones sound like. Hopefully this sounds really, really good. Okay. Now, to simulate our crowdy or noisy environment, I have some crowd noise pulled up on my Roku in the background, and we're going to use that to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. Now, for reference, this TV or my TV in the background is set to 18% volume. All right, I'm going to let it play for a little bit, about 5 to 10 seconds. Then I'm going to continue to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and hopefully the microphones do a good job of isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Let's see how it does. Let me go ahead and push play now. Okay, that should be good. So now I'm just going to talk at my natural volume, at my natural cadence, and this is an example of how good the V8 truly wireless headphones microphones do at isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Hopefully, it's doing a good job. I really won't know until I watch the video back in post, but I'm just talking at my natural volume, at my natural cadence. Let's see how it does. Okay, that should be good. Let me pause the crowd noise now. And now we're back to an ideal or close to ideal noise free environment as I can get it. And that, guys and gals, pretty much does it for today's microphone test video. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know and see how I have today's video set up. So, recording the video today, we're using the rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. The entire video here today was recorded in 1080p at 30 fps, and we do have Bluetooth input audio hooked up. So all the audio you guys and gals are hearing today is coming from the onboard microphones on the Roelao or Ralyin V8 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Okay. Now I just want to let y'all see how I have everything set up. So I'm gonna throw up some B-roll now, letting y'all see how the whole setup is. So you can see from the B-roll here, all I did was connect the headphones to my Samsung Galaxy S10e, okay? And then I just verified that it was connected. And then after that, I went ahead and jumped into the stock Samsung Galaxy camera application, okay? Then I went ahead and switched to the rear facing camera. Then I went ahead and switched to Pro mode. And you can see once I'm in Pro mode, it has an audio input feature. I just switched it from onboard audio to Bluetooth audio. Then I went ahead and set the volume on the TV, as you can see in the background there. Then I pushed record, spun the cameras around, and that's how I recorded today's video. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know that people enjoy my videos and they find it helpful, and that also lets YouTube know to recommend my videos to more people that might enjoy it or find it helpful. So a thumbs up really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed today's video, links to all of my extended coverage on these headphones, as well as the affiliated buy links to where you guys and gals can buy these headphones at some really great prices, will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So when you guys and gals make your purchase using those affiliated links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliate links located down below in 85% of my video descriptions on the channel are like a win-win for everyone. And that officially makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals. So everything you need to know about these headphones as to where you can pick them up or where you can see my continued coverage will be located down below in the video description. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.